What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the OnePlus is finally here. Everybody's excited for the OnePlus since it's been a while since OnePlus released the OnePlus 6 McLaren. But from the OnePlus 7, what we're gonna see and what we're gonna hear from them, what's new, perhaps what's that kind of crashing specification out there. So chill back and relax, and I'm gonna crash everything into each piece, basic piece. Okay, it's just that the OnePlus 7, it's going to be having a 6.2-inch display, which is something which I think, to my own kind of aspect, it's so great. But this specification, they come from Tech Radar, which it's unofficial specification for the OnePlus 7, but some of them they might be there, some of them they might not be there. So don't wind yourself up, because May 14th it's gonna be the day whereby they're launching the OnePlus 7. So on this kind of OnePlus 7, we're gonna see 3700 milliampere battery, which is something which is so great. Another kind of stuff which we're gonna see is just that we're gonna see the Android 9.0 right from the bat, and another kind of stuff is 48 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera when it comes to both at the back and front. So there'll be a secondary camera on the 48. Make sure that it's gonna be a dual camera, so just don't be wind yourself up and say it's gonna be one single camera with 48 megapixel. Who said that? You can see the 6 GB of RAM that crushed my heart, like another kind of stuff, because we have seen it from the OnePlus. Perhaps there's gonna be OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 7T, OnePlus 7, a certain brand which is gonna be sponsoring it. I have no idea. So another kind of stuff, I think it's gonna be Ferrari, or because we saw with cars McLaren, so perhaps it's gonna be another kind of McLaren, but who knows. Up to May 14th. Another kind of stuff we're going to see on it is just that the wind up of how fast charging and onboard or on display fingerprint is going to be playing big role, and that kind of notch is going to be a notch, it's going to be a teardrop. So another kind of stuff we're going to see on the OnePlus 7 is just that there are a bunch of new features they're going to be telling us or showing us or showcasing it in front of the keynote and stuff like that. So I think, to my own kind of aspect, it's gonna be amazing. That kind of stuff. 4G confirmed, so there's gonna be 4G obviously. Another kind of stuff which is gonna see is Oxygen OS, which is gonna be improved with the new features, or perhaps running on top of Android. That means a little bit stock Android, a little bit here and there, but it's never gonna be stock Android. It's gonna be Oxygen OS, more improved. And yeah, so I hope some of you guys got that kind of clear concept, clear thought that OnePlus 7 is going to be here around May 14th. So save the date. Perhaps I'm going to share with you guys the video. Don't worry, perhaps I may make a link down below in the description for the OnePlus on the May 14th. And so as you guys, you can go directly to check out their keynote. So thank you guys for watching. You love this video of today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. You might hit the thumbs up and other kind of stuff. Make sure that you subscribe to your homeboy here. And if you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim12, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.
Thank you.